C.N.Annadurai and Dearness Allowance. Dearness Allowance is also known as C.N.Annadurai. The former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has spoken in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly about the Dearness Allowance. Isn't he the one who felt to see God in the smile of the poor? The following is the details of what he has said. A central minister asked me to write that the Tamil Nadu government is opposed to central government employees receiving Dearness Allowance. I am not ready to fall into that trap. Instead, I wrote that I would support the demand to raise Dearness Allowance as long as prices continue to rise. The central minister was speechless when he asked for it in writing. This is how C.N.Annadurai spoke in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly on the 20th of August 1968. I hope you find this information useful. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more useful videos like this.